another semi haircut tutorial. We have a freestyle design in the back, and we are doing a burst fade on the side. So, you know what I'm saying, this haircut could kind of be two ways. You can take it down with a tool, leave a bit more hair on the head. But what I did was just debug everything with the tool. And I just contradicted myself by saying you can take it down with a tool. I didn't even say 1.5 because I thought I used the 1.5, but it looked like I used the 2. So I'm just debugging everything with the tool, making sure everything is clean. Use a PST towel to, you know what I'm saying, dust or clean off. My first step into my burst fade is to use my 5/0 blade and set in my ball guideline. Then what I'm going to do, I think I switched back to my clipper, but I'm not particularly sure. Let's see what I do. One blade. There we go. Boom, one blade. So I'm going up one blade, half an inch. Nah, it's about an inch. It's a pretty big guideline. I grab, what is that blade? My 1.5. That is my 1.5 blade. Go up a little bit, but then I eventually switched back to my clipper because it was just too low. The blades weren't doing anything for me, and I needed more of a smooth blade. So I think I have my one guard on. One guard was actually cutting it, and I have it open, and I'm just, you know what I'm saying, flicking at that top guideline, trying to get it out. And then I'm going to switch to my 0.5 guard and get the bit of guideline out. It's really not a guideline there. I don't know, the one kind of took it out. But then I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying, attack that bottom guideline. Play with my lever, the lever's closed, itching at that line, trying to make the fade blurry as possible. You know, try to clean up, you know what I'm saying, the part on the back. That blend on the back is probably like one of the hardest things that a lot of beginners struggle with. It's something that I still struggle with because I should be, as soon as I cut it down and I start fade, it should, you know what I'm saying, blend automatic. But you see, it's not really blended back there. But, you know what I'm saying, fade steps on the side, pretty simple. And, you know what I'm saying, back to what I was saying, on the side right here, it has to blend. Y'all can see those spots. But I eventually take down the back again, and I go with the one guard. I just debug the whole area, so it makes for a better, easier transition, and just so I can start my design how I want it to. Y'all, you know what I'm saying, I appreciate, you know what I'm saying, those of you who, you know what I'm saying, still watching my videos, man. My views kind of plummeted a little bit because I ain't posting like that. But if you're watching this, hit that sub button, hit the like button. I'm at 404 subscribers right now, and I want to reach 500 at least by, you know what I'm saying, September. I feel like that's a long-term goal. Like, I feel like 500 could be tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like we could reach that goal. It's a goal I want to reach. I feel like we can reach that goal. 500 is the goal. I want to reach 1K by the end of the year. But if, you know what I'm saying, things start to go, you know what I'm saying, in a good direction, then that's what I want to do. But starting off my freestyle design in the back, I pre-prepped it with, you know what I'm saying, some holding spray, and then I spray a little bit of oil sheen on it. I don't know why I really do that, but it makes for, like, it just, I don't know, it kind of cuts cleaner, I guess, if that makes sense. But I'm starting off with a V shape in the bottom, and then I'm kind of just, I'm setting in random lines. I don't know what was going through my head at the time when I was doing it. There was a part of the design that that the lines were a little bit too wide. They weren't as clean, and I kind of had so many ideas in my head running at the same time that I kind of just, the design was clashing. It was clashing. It wasn't really like a one clear design. My client, he loved the design, but you know what I'm saying, I can obviously tell when he's like, yo, this is different. You know what I'm saying? When you look at it, you're like, you're not particularly sure. But you know what I'm saying, we kind of put in the two lines that you can see already, and then we're gonna kind of just like curve this line a little bit. And then, like, once I'm done with the design, also once I'm done putting my lines, and you know what I'm saying, making sure they're all kind of, you know what I'm saying, clean lines, I start to fade, you know what I'm saying, inside the design. Now I faded in random places. You'll see at the end of it that I'm just fading in random places. But I'm pushing the bottom line and the top line down. The key to a good design always is to, you know what I'm saying, hit the bottom of the line and the top of the line, so you get a clean line. But you see, like right here, this is where I started to mess up a little bit, because I wasn't hitting the right spots, and I was just being careless. I was really being careless. Like right here, I should have stopped. That's a clean line, but I should have stretched out the right side of the design that I'm on the top right now. But I was just putting in random lines. Just make sure when you put in your lines that they're clean. Make sure you raise them, put shave gel on it, put hot lather on it, just so you're not irritating the client's skin. I tend to sometimes dry shave, which is also okay too. But you know what I'm saying, you don't really want to irritate your client. But when you doing artwork with these designs, man, you know what I'm saying, you might want to go over it a couple times, you know, to make it really look good. Like, I'm talking Philly style, you know what I'm saying, trade show, you know what I'm saying, it pops. Enhancement, it just pops. Lineup, man, Drake was crispy. Drake was definitely crispy, but I cut it down. And you know what I'm saying, this is like, wow, you could have kept the bangs, like the bangs would have been bulky. Then my lineup don't last long. You know what I'm saying, and things like that. You know what I'm saying, I put my vertical bars in, I do my C cups, and he has what I'm going to call a widow's peak in the front of his head. So to get my line as straight as possible, I had to push it back. You can argue with me in the comments, but y'all can see that. You know what I'm saying? What you see, like, he light the corners. It's like, what you want me to do? You know what I'm saying? But y'all can see, like, I didn't push him back really, because he has a widow's peak in the front. You know what I'm saying? He just has a widow's peak. So I didn't push him back. Line was crispy. I did put enhancements on the front line. Cut was crispy, y'all. Don't get at me in the comments for the lineup pushback, because that joint was crispy and it was straight. Yeah, though. Crypto do it crazy, crypto do it better every time. You know what I'm saying? This is a crispy cut. This is what I was telling you guys about. You know what I'm saying, when I said I'll just fade in the random spots just to make the design look crazy, make it pop. Fade crispy, line crispy, enhancements. You know what I'm saying? This cut was fire. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Crypto, subscribe, hit that like button.
This is what I wanted. I got you.
Yo, I like it. Yo, that was a great look on his face.
You know I got you right there for you, right? Tell the kid right there for you. Tell the kid right there for you.
I never doubted you.
Yeah.